Picture a construction site, 15 people, one WhatsApp group. Someone says work has been done, and someone says it doesn't. There is no photo, no date, no proof, just an argument. Multiplying this by every task, every day, every site that builders run. That's not an communication problem. That's money leaking out of a project on one argument at a time. CoordXplore is one link, every task, every photo, every approval, all in one place. So nobody can argue about what happened because it's already written down. We can add details over here and create a count. In a Every job I run is a project. I name it, I put it in address, done. No training needed. This is whole form. This is what I had created the site. I don't type anyone's email. I just send a one link on a WhatsApp. However, I already talked to them. Whoever opens it picks up who they are, supervisor or workers, and fill their information and sign up to the project. Now, let's see how we can upload the plan. If I already planned the work in Excel, I don't retype it over here. I build a sheet task. Who's doing it? Who is doing it? I What's the priority, budget, due date, and it's all on the board in one shot. Let me add through this. We can download a template from here and fill the required information into that, or now simply choose the file. Now all the work has been added over here and assigned to whom, what the date, everything. I'll simply import all. Each and everything has been imported. Here's the budget, it's shown what this paint has been done. Here's my team, here's the chat between the team. Here's the safety, here's the resources. Now here's the same app from the worker side. He doesn't see any of that. He sees his name, he sees his job for today. He opens one, he does the work and take the photo and tap done. That's it. This is the entire experience. He can speak up over here in any language. Sir, panel का काम हो गया है. And he can simply post. He can add the photos from over here. Now here's the photo with the geotagged date, time and location. Now the work has been done. I'll mark it 100% done and submit for approval. Here's the progress of a work has been shown. This is supervisor end. The same simple way, one report progress whether anything unsafe returned done. So here's the whole work. Now this one is pending for the approval. Site supervisor can like directly check and approve it. If any resources required, they can directly add it over here. If any material is required, a payment of a labor or equipment required. Let's say if on a site 2 JCB is required, we just need to add them here. And submit the request. Now coming back to the developer's login. I see photo, I see what it cost. I see the whole site progress in one way. I approve it, and once I do, it's locked. Nobody can quietly change it later. That's the argument that never happens. So this is approved by the site supervisor. Now I simply approve it. Yeah. Here is the whole task. This is the site DNA. This is the progress. And let's see the full report of the project. This is whole project report. We can directly mail it to the client. Similarly, we can see today's report. Also, if this is for client, we just need to on it and share the link. We can copy this link and share with our client. The client can simply see the whole progress of the site and the project simply via this link. Let's see the resources. Coming to this, one just will be required on the site. Just approve it, and if it's fulfilled, just mark it over here. So this is how whole thing works.
Every mid-sized builder runs the site this way, fragmented across call, messages, and paper. CoordXplore replaces it all with just one link and one source of a truth. And it's just get adapted with a zero training because we just showed you the entire workflow. We are selling a piece of mind to a builder who is tired of arguing about what didn't, and what did. Happens on a site and photo and approval trial. And that's protect everyone from the laborer whose work is properly done, the site engineer, and the supervisor whose budget is finally trustworthy. We start every builders on a free trial. After that, they choose growth or scale, price simply per month, based on how many projects they run, not per seat. So bringing more their own team cost nothing. That's the way it's the biggest the crew, the more valuable free plan on a ramp becomes, and the more sites we get pulled into the free before they ever pay us. One link, every task, every photo, every approval. Code Explore execution coordinated.